you're ready, you are clear, all clear.
Copy, all clear.
At this time, ahoy nation, and welcome aboard the Richard F. Irvine. We will be arriving at our destination in just a few moments. On our way, we will travel 1 mile across the man-made Seven Seas Lagoon, which took almost 3 years to excavate. You ask that while on board, the stairs remain clear while the boat is in motion. Once again, welcome aboard.
Folks, if you look just off to the right-hand side of the boat, there's an eagle sitting over one of those right next to the boat as you go by. Look off to the right-hand side of the boat. Park will be open until 9 p.m. There will be 30 minutes after the tickets to move. 10 o'clock. Please remember to wear your face mask at all times. Mouth and your nose, and everything at all times. Until we're sitting down, waiting for 15. And please remember to visit the list. At this time, the officers got that and haven't seen the show. Please do it well.
Docking momentarily. For your safety, please stay where you are until we are safely docked and the captain is given the all clear. Because this is a free floating vessel, we do have a tendency to bounce around a bit during docking. If you are standing or sitting on the stairs, we ask that you please clear the stairway. Everyone else, please remain where you are until we've completed our docking. Once again, please clear the stairway. You'll be given an all clear when it is safe to travel the stairs and go ashore. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las escaleras.